Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create a ticket management system with Formaloo. To create a ticket management system, you can have two dashboards. One, a portal where clients will be able to submit and see the succession of their tickets, and another dashboard for admin and team members to easily manage tickets and add necessary comments. Let's start with a ticket portal for users. First, choose the appropriate workspace. Create a new project by clicking on New Formaloo. Choose a form. Now enable the Edit mode to customize the dashboard. Add and remove pages and menus. Now customize the form from Edit Form button. Add appropriate fields for your case. Don't forget to add a single choice or a drop-down admin-only field to define the status of the ticket. Kanban board will be grouped according to this field. Now that it's set up, go back to the dashboard and add a Kanban board for forms responses. To turn this into a portal, we need to enable public view and a portal mode. Make sure you watch the video linked at the top right on how to set up a portal in details. You can also add FAQ page and any other menus or pages you find appropriate for this portal. To control access management, click on three dots and define access level fitted to your case. Now for the ticket management dashboard. Go back to your workspace and create a new project. Follow the same steps and set up the dashboard. You can either have the same form for ticket request submission or add new fields that will make it easier for your team to manage them. To share access with your team members for the dashboard, they need to be added to your workspace. Make sure to check our video on how to share dashboard access to your team members. And now it's set up.